Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to activate the DirectX 12 option in Dying Light the Beast, so stay with me and enjoy watching this short tutorial. To use the DirectX 12 instead of 11 in this game, you have to open the settings by using this option over here or press the O button on your keyboard. Now move to the video settings and here press F button or move over here to open the advanced video settings, and in here you can see the renderer mode. If you want to use the Direct 12, then you have to choose this option. If you have the Direct 11, then you will see this option over here. So to use Direct 12 you can just change it to this value and it should work perfectly fine. So that will be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!